In this video, I'm going to introduce you to some HTML tags no one talks about and show you why they are so useful. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will be rethinking how you write HTML. So let's start with the details and summary tag. These tags let you create collapsible sections without writing a single line of JavaScript. Imagine you are building an FAQ section. Normally you would have to write a lot of code to toggle answers open and closed. But with details and summary tag, it's all built in. You simply wrap the content in a details tag and use summary for the clickable header. For example, you could have a question like what is flexbox inside a summary tag and the answer inside the details tag. When the user clicks the header, the answer toggles open. For anyone sick of writing unnecessary JavaScript, it's amazing. Another tag doesn't get enough love is Dialog tag. This tag lets you create pop-up models with built-in functionality. Instead of relying on external libraries or complicated JavaScript, you can open and close a model with simple methods like show model and close. For example, imagine you are creating a login pop-up. With the dialog tag, all you need to do is define your model in HTML and call show model when you want it to appear. It's not just simple, it's also accessible as it automatically traps focus within the model for keyboard users. Now, let's talk about meter tag, which is like a progress bar but for data ranges. It's perfect for visualizing values like battery levels, skill ratings, or even poll results. For example, if you want to show that a battery is 75% full, you just wrap the value in a meter tag and define the minimum and maximum range. The browser then displays a minimalist bar that graphically reflects the value. It's a minor detail that can make your website appear more lively and user-friendly. The progress tag is ideal for displaying progress in tasks such as file uploads or downloads. Let's say you are building a file uploader and you want to display how much of the file has been uploaded. You can use the progress tag with a value attribute to represent the completion percentage. One of my personal favorites is the output tag, which is incredibly useful for displaying dynamic data in forms. Let's say you are building a simple calculator. Instead of relying on JavaScript to update the result, you can use output tag to display the calculated value dynamically. For instance, if you have two input fields for numbers, the output tag can instantly show their sum without you needing to write complex code. Another tag that's often overlooked is abbreviation tag. This tag is used for abbreviations and adds a nice little tooltip when you hover over it. Imagine you are writing a blog post and you use the term CSS. Instead of leaving it up to readers to guess what it stands for, you can wrap it in abbreviation tag and provide the full form as a tooltip. This isn't just a professional touch, it's also great for accessibility, as screen readers can announce the full form of the abbreviation. Finally, use the time tag to mark dates or times in machine-readable format. For example, if you are displaying the publication date of a blog post, you can wrap it in a time tag and include a date-time attribute with the ISO format of the date. This not only makes your content easier to understand for search engines, but also ensures that it's accessible to assistive technologies. That's it. HTML tags that no one talks about but should. Whether you are using details tag to create toggleable content, dialog tag for models, or meter and progress tag for visualizing data, these tags are here to make your life easier and your code cleaner. Tags like output tag, abbreviation tag, and time tag add even more functionality and accessibility to your projects. And the next time someone says HTML is boring, just drop a dialog pop-up on them with the message "think again." If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more web development tips, and let me know in the comments below which of these tags you are excited to try.